Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 2nd, 2021. This is going to be our yearnfinance price prediction update into the market in yearnfinance. You guys can see that from our last price prediction, we played the strength into the market in yearnfinance. The market has came and hit our ultimate TP price. So now we need to adjust and see, okay, cool. Can the price still go up, or can we expect more sideways trading, or can we expect a dip to occur in the market? Welcome to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location that you're going to get the realest price prediction without the confusion. We're not going to spend 45 minutes talking about technical indicators because it's all garbage. And then we're not going to talk about articles to try to anticipate what type of news catalyst is going to come out and spur price. Because from our realm, price is the only thing that moves the market. People actually speak with their dollars. Whenever they put on a position, whether it's a buy or to sell, is jotted on the chart. So all we have to do is simply come in, look at the price bars, look at the volume to get an understanding as to what the majority of the people are trying to do. And if you're able to do that, you can actually get in position and profit right alongside with them. So join us, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel if you all appreciate the content, and tap that bell notification if you want to become notified of whenever we notice any changes occur within these cryptocurrency markets. So let's look at this real quick. The last video that we did in yearnfinance was actually on October the 12th. Okay, let me zoom in and show you all what the price has done, not hiding anything from you all. Right here, we played a strength into the market in yearnfinance, and we wasn't extremely bullish. Like, we wasn't giving you some outlandish price target of $46,000. No, we simply told you that we can see the price in yearnfinance come up here towards $39,300. And look, that is what the market did. On October the 27th, it came and hit that number precisely, and that's when the market in yearnfinance completely dropped. See, if we would have overstayed our welcome, i.e. seeing the price hit 43,000, we would have missed out on some gains. But we didn't. We said around $39,300. We'll take the bag there. And that gave us 17.5% right before the market dropped. See, this is how you're able to trade and invest into the market without being concerned or worried or nervous about, okay, how high can the price go? We predicted that right there on October the 12th. So now let me get rid of it, because if you were to get out the market today, instead of you getting 17.5%, I mean, you'll still be able to nibble off 3.44% profitability, which is cool. I mean, profit is profit. We're not going to get angry, not going to get upset. As long as we're gaining or getting more than what we had when we first initially came in, we're off good. Okay, so let me get rid of these things real quick, and let's zoom out real quick. I want to see what we have onto the market right now in yearnfinance, because it's not really giving us too much, right? This market is not necessarily following this ascending line, even though it is. But for the most part, we're getting this. Like, the market is not really giving us a definitive upward trend. Like, we're not extremely bullish in the market in yearnfinance. It's not showing us that on the chart. If anything, this market mostly just trades sideways in between $24,000 all the way up to $44,000. Now, that's not a terrible thing. It's not a bad thing. It just simply means that you don't need to necessarily hold this cryptocurrency for an extremely long period of time, because we're not following that trend. So let's look at the market in yearnfinance, because we want to know if this price is going to make a massive move and continue to bounce off this ascending line and go up. We want to see that. So this is the 3-day time frame into the market in yearnfinance. You guys can tell that over the last 5 3-day price bars, we've seen a lot of selling go on in yearnfinance. Now, I got to keep it real to my subscribers. I got to give you all the information based on what is on the chart. And over the last 5 3-day price bars, there's been some selling going on. Now, one positive thing is that even amongst all of the selling that has been going on in yearnfinance, we haven't seen the market dip though. It's been sustaining itself from dropping in price. I mean, the market has really shown us that it wants to keep the price propped up right around this $33,000 price. That's it. That's going to be crucial though. I mean, we need to maintain price above $33,000 in order for us to allow the price to continue to go up. That's important. So I'm here to tell you that today, November the 2nd, that as long as the price in yearnfinance maintains itself above $33,000, we can aim to allow the market to go up. Now, the market can only take so much selling to where eventually it's going to break and the market's going to drop. So we don't have enough time to just continue to allow the market to sell And eventually the buyers are going to become overwhelmed and they just get out the way and let the market drop. So that time needs to happen relatively quick for us to lift off of this $33,000 price and go up. Time is running short. So let's look at the market in Yearn Finance on the 5-day. So this is the 5-day time frame. And let me show you all of the selling that has been going on into the market in Yearn Finance, right? So starting right here in October, beginning of October, October the 8th, 2021, and then October the 13th, 2021, and then we have October the 18th, 2021, then definitely here, October the 23rd. All of these 5-day price bars is selling, is indicative of selling. Now, out of all of these, right, these first 3, 6, 5-day price bars, the only one that we've seen the market sustain itself and prop up the price is this one. This is the positive outline right there that allows us to say that, well, there's still buyers here. There's still people into the market in Yearn Finance buying this crypto right there around $33,000. Now, let's say on this current one that the market in Yearn Finance breaks below $33,000. We got to cut it. We got to expect the market to really drop in price. But that's not the case yet. The 5-day time frame is showing us that this market is willing to hold price and that the anticipation of us going up is still there. But I'm not extremely bullish, just like I wasn't that bullish on my last prediction. And this weekly price bar right here lets me know that, yeah, the chances of us seeing the price drop in Yearn Finance is still there. It is. I got to keep it real. How we trade this week is going to be real imperative on where we go next throughout the second week in November. How we trade this week. So definitely keep your eyes focused on what price does this week, because if we continue to hold price above $33,000, we're golden. We're definitely going to expect the market to go up in Yearn Finance. But if we don't, throughout this week, we break 33,000 to the downside, then we're going to expect it to go a lot lower price and even break this long-term trend. Okay. So those are the things we need to be on the lookout for. I'm giving you all the play right now. So this is the monthly time frame. Let's take a look at what the market did in Yearn Finance over the last couple of months. So looking at September, which is weakness, we would expect the price to drop for October. But did we do it? No, we didn't. See, this is another instance to where since the market in Yearn Finance didn't drop in October, then we're not expecting it to fall right now. Now, were there selling going on in October? It sure was. But there was enough interest of people willing to buy Yearn Finance that it didn't collapse the price below that ascending line. So we're still going to play the strength into the market in Yearn Finance based on those reasonings alone. All right, so let me do this real quick. Okay, so I said that $33,000 is going to be real important for price to hold in Yearn Finance, right? I did. So we're going to hold that, right? That's going to be the first spot that lets us know that we're still good to allow the price to go up in Yearn Finance. The second area is going to be around $31,900, right? Which brings us down to this ascending line. So let me take it all the way down to $31,000 as the biggest area of support for us to allow this market in Yearn Finance to trade. Okay. Now let me get rid of this line here because you already know that $33,000 is important. Now again, am I looking for the market to hit $60,000? No, because I told you from the very beginning of this video that Yearn Finance is not really giving us a bias movement higher. Like we've just been trading sideways. And the first spot for us to eat off this play is around $38,200, right? That's the first spot. Second area is going to be up here towards 40. That's where we're going to cut the ultimate price prediction in the market right now in Yearn Finance. So we have first, we have $38,200 as the first spot. Second area is going to be around $40,000 or $39,900, give or take. It's going to be around that vicinity there. So again, you guys can see it. We're not playing a monumental movement of upward price in Yearn Finance up here to 60,000. Not yet, because the market is not really giving us that on the daily time frame. So we're just going to simply be, conservative, not be overly bullish, but we can play the strength though. So I'm looking for the market to give us some upward movement in Yearn Finance. That's it. I'm done. Now it's your turn. Call the markets for yourself. Take this opportunity to see what is the price chart telling you as to where price is going to go in the next 3 weeks, right? We didn't use no technical indicators. We didn't talk about no Bollinger Bands. We didn't talk about any of that. We just simply looked at what people are doing with their money. and try to see where price is going to go next. So now take that opportunity. Leave me a comment right now and tell me where do you think the price in Yearn Finance is going to go over the next 3 weeks. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.